Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today we are going to be exploring the National Gallery of Indonesia. But first, we are going to introduce ourselves. My name is Brilian Ayanito.
My name is Muhammad Daniel Chandra.
My name is Dennis.
My name is Muhammad Ridwan Albino.
My name is Muhammad Haikal Hafiz.
My name is Muhammad Rafi.
So, let's go.
Let's go.
The National Gallery of Indonesia is one of the most important and influential art institutions in the country. Located in the heart of Jakarta, it serves as a central hub for the preservation, exhibition, and development of Indonesia's visual arts. As a national cultural institution, the gallery plays a vital role in strengthening Indonesia's artistic identity and preserving its cultural heritage for future generations. It also acts as a bridge between artists and the public, encouraging appreciation and understanding of visual art across different social backgrounds.
Asta. Ini Asta. Asta.
Asta.
Ada Bapak lu Asta.
The gallery houses a wide and diverse range of artworks, including traditional and modern paintings, sculptures, installation, photograph, and contemporary media art. This collection represents various artistic styles, movements, and historical periods, allowing visitors to observe the development and transformation by Indonesian visual art over time. By presenting both classical and experimental works, the National Gallery offers a comprehensive overview of the national artistic journey.
Many of the artwork displayed are created by well-known Indonesian artists who have made significant contribution to the country art history. Alongside these established figures, the gallery also showcases work by emerging and young artists from different regions of Indonesia. This combination not only honors artistic achievement of the past, but also provides space for new creative voice to grow and be recognized. As a result, the gallery becomes a platform for artistic regeneration and innovation within Indonesian art scene.
The artworks presented in the National Gallery reflects Indonesia, its cultural diversity, social reality, historical events, and modern artistic expression. Themes such as tradition, identity, politics, environmental issues, and social change are often explored through visual forms. Through these arts, visitors can gain deeper insight to Indonesian society, its struggle, values, and aspiration, as well as how artists respond to contemporary challenges using creative expression.
Let's go.
Raden Saleh. Raden Saleh Syarif Bustaman was the first Japanese painter to study fine art in Europe under a Dutch scholarship. Born in Semarang in 1811 to an aristocratic Arab-Japanese family, he was raised by his uncle, the regent of Semarang, Raden Adipati Suradimanggala. His artistic talent developed under the guidance of Belgian painter Antoine Auguste Joseph Payen. After the Java War, 1825, Raden Saleh moved to Cianjur and worked in colonial administration. In 1829, he traveled to the Netherlands to a royal scholarship to study painting under Cornelius Kruisman and Andreas Schleifnoot. He toured Europe, exhibiting work deer hunting in Java at the Salon de Paris in 1847, where King Louis Philippe I purchased it. Upon his return to Java 1851, Saleh produced critical historical works such as The Arrest of Prince of Diponegoro 1857 and The Flood in Java 1862. His paintings are now held in major institutions as the Louvre, the Rijksmuseum, and the Smithsonian American Art Museum. He passed away in Bogor on 23 April 1880. This is his self-portrait, as you can see.
So, Sujono, Agus Jaya, and Marsudi Yudo Kusumo established the Persatuan Ahli Gambar Indonesia, or we can say Persagi, the first association of indigenous painters during the Dutch colonial period. Their idea was supported by numbers of artists, including Surono, Rambeli, Helbert Hutangalong, as two journalists, Adam Malik, and Sipahutar. The word Indonesia in Persagi reflect early effort to different and modern Indonesia artists identify, and this is how the painting is here.
Storm at sea and shipwrecks have been fundamental experience since humans first began to sail, and this term flourished in European painting due to their close connection with the sea and maritime trade. Raden Saleh, who once encountered a storm during his voyage to Europe, painted sunken ship in the Romantic style, depicting the dramatic struggle of ship against nature. The work reflects a tension between imagination and reality, highlighted by dramatic lightning and a suspenseful atmosphere, portraying two ships battling a violent storm, one nearly sinking while the other is shattered against the rock.
Chairman supported by N.G. Sembring, Sutopo, and Kusyan Budirman as secretaries and members, including Isa Hasanda. Misbek Tamrin, Joko Pekik, Andrianus Gumelan, Sabri Jamal, Suharjo, Pujanat, Harmani, and Haryatno. This collective became one of the manifestation of lecturers or people culture institute influence in the fine arts world, implementing the principle of going down to the roots or turba and the 151 theory, a lacra creative method emphasizing artists direct engagement with the people.
Sanggar Bambu was established in 1959 in Yogyakarta under the leadership of Sunarto PR with members such as Kirjo Mulyo, Soeharto PR, Mulyadi Gabuyu, Syahjil Handomo, Wadoyo Danarto, and others. Initially focused solely on visual arts, over time Sanggar Bambu also became active in theater, music, and poetry. Within in academic environment of ASEI, Indonesian Academy of Fine Arts. Sanggar Bambu works tend to portray the humanistic side of human life. Its members embrace the spirit of artistic autonomy and a vision of freedom of expression, along with a rejection of art controlled by political interests. In addition, producing individual artworks, Sanggar Bambu was also involved in various monuments and sculpture.
The 1974 Grand Exhibition of Indonesian Painting. In 1974, Dewan Kesenian Jakarta, the Jakarta Arts Council, DKJ, organized the Grand Exhibition of Indonesian Paintings at Taman Ismail Marzuki, or TIP. The Central Museum, now the National Museum of Indonesia, and the Staudia Building in Jakarta. This exhibition marked a significant moment in the history of modern art. It's not only showcased works that reflect the artistic achievement of the time, but also introduced formal recognition through the 5 Best Painting award to the Aming Prayitno, A.D. Pirous, Widayat, Irsam, and Abbas Ali Basya. And here are some of the paintings.
Woman artist voice. In the history of modern Indonesian art, primarily shaped by particle structure, women artists have faced marginalization and gender-based stereotyping. In the male-dominated art world, women were often seen as less serious or less committed to their artistic career, and their works were frequently linked to domestic or emotional themes. The female body and identity were frequently objectives in artwork by male artists, while women artists then had to contend with a narrative shaped by a masculine perspective.
Inside the National Gallery of Indonesia, visitors can explore several spacious exhibition halls that use for both permanent and temporary exhibition. These halls are designed to accommodate various forms of art, ranging from conventional framed artworks to large-scale installations, video art, and multimedia works. The flexible design of the exhibition space allows curators and artists to experiment with different presentation styles, creating immersive and engaging experiences for visitors.
Gambar apa tadi lagi? Mati lagi tadi.
In addition to its exhibition space, the gallery is supported by various facilities such as an art library, documentation and archive center, and multipurpose room. These facilities are used for research activity, artist talk, workshop, panel discussion, film screenings, and educational programs for students and the general public. Through these programs, the National Gallery of Indonesia functions not only as an exhibition venue, but also as a center for education, creativity, and cultural exchange, contributing significantly to the development of art knowledge and appreciation in Indonesia.
Itu jiplak ini. Gue pengen jiplak ini. Kalian kayaknya cek.
So that's all for our exhibition today at Gallery Indonesia. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Hope you enjoyed.
Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.